Hello there, welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Now, this one was a clear download to me. And I think the download was because I've been writing, after my gratitude, I've been writing, Dear God, guide me. Sometimes it's please guide me. Give me clear instructions to reach my goals and growth, and provide me with the strength and courage to take decisive action. Use my gifts to help your children. Thank you, God. Okay, so mine's a different version of the Benjamin Franklin's affirmation where he asked for wisdom to God. So that's the one that I use. Create one that helps you. That one always makes me feel good as I write it, as I'm asking for the guidance to reach my goals. Now, this video is going to be on completeness. Okay, I did a video on completeness before, but this one is a download, and the reason for this one is to remind you that you have everything that you need inside of you already, okay? And it starts with your imagination, okay? And the feelings of the wish fulfilled. When I was in prison, I would see myself in college and I would see myself having fun. Having fun is a specific feeling, okay? I would see myself at a desk, listening to a bald white man teach, because that was just my idea. And it actually did happen. I had deja vu, okay? It had other scenes too that I saw myself in. Okay, number two, when I was getting in shape, I didn't know all the information of being in shape, but I saw myself with the body of Arnold, had Arnold's body, and I would do like the poses that he did, you know, like the pose like this, and like something like this, and I was like, oh wow, I'm getting closer, right? And I felt confident. For me, that was confident. I looked at myself and like, yes, I feel good, I feel confident, I feel good about myself. I have the image in my mind. So when you think of something in your mind, you feel it, whether it's good or bad, okay? And you're manifesting it. Now, the same thing when you're out here in the physical and you're looking at something physical, you can feel the good feelings or you can feel negative feelings, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. You're going to feel something. So even if it's in your imagination, you're feeling something. Okay. Now, when it's a goal, you end up gaining the knowledge, the experiences, the habits, the discipline, all that you need. You get it on your way. But all the information and knowledge that you gain from there, you had it within you to obtain it already. Okay, the moment you decided, you were receptive to it. Okay, so all you needed was to make that decision, visualize it, and make that a committed decision. Okay, so this one is going to be short. Okay, this one's going to be short, and because it was a direct and clear message to tell you that everything you need is already inside of you. Okay, now how do you implement this? See yourself with it, because if you see yourself with it and it feels amazing, that means you really want it, okay? And everything you need is already inside of you, okay? Because it will be causing a receptiveness in your being, okay? It will be causing a receptiveness. For example, when I was in prison and I wanted to go to college, my neighbor, he had college textbooks, and I said, hey, and I had asked him one day, like, hey man, by any chance, do you know anybody who has college textbooks, like geography books and things like that? Science stuff. He's like, yeah, actually I do. Here, take them. Boom. You know, of course I gave them back. I think, but I'm sure I really didn't take anything when I left prison. I had nothing. I just got like the $200 that they give us at the end of the gate. Give you in a little white envelope. But kind of lost my train of thought. Yeah, so make that decision. and make sure it's a committed decision, and everything will start happening. Just like things are just gonna start happening that are associated with your goal. You're gonna be like, oh my god, like how is that possible? How did that happen? But you only say that when you don't know the laws. When you do know the law, then you, of course, people, things, and events are gonna happen for you. Okay, so good affirmation. Whenever you're feeling like down, or you're on a downswing, a negative feeling, you say, everything is happening for me, best case scenario. Okay. So make sure you visualize. Make sure you're relaxed when you're visualizing, because when you're relaxed is when it's impressive. It's when it impresses the subconscious mind. And then feel the feelings of the wish fulfilled. Ask yourself, how does it feel now that I have my goal? And that specific feeling is what's going to manifest it and attract everything that you need. Do it every morning, middle of the day, and night, and in between if you like. Okay. But the key thing is to feel good, to feel happy, to be in a high vibration, and take the actions that you need to take. If, for example, you're in college, they tell you, okay, if you want to get an A, you should go to the tutoring place, live at the tutoring place. If you want to get in shape, you should live like a bodybuilder, study bodybuilders. If you want to be great in business, you need to know sales, marketing, systems, trainings, leadership, study all those things. Okay? All right, so go out there and manifest the best life that you imagine. And you will. All right? Till next time, peace. Also, if you want this shirt, I'm going to put the link in the description. It's a quality gym t-shirt. It's my brand, Defy Your Limits. Its mission is to encourage people to go for more, gain for more. Okay? All right. Peace.